What's up everyone, Xavier Cormier here, two-time freestyle calisthenics Canadian champion, and today I'm going to show you how to muscle up using the Fit Home Gym. Let's get started. So first of all, a muscle up is a combination of a pull-up and a straight bar dip. What makes it really hard is not actually one of these two exercises, but the transition in between. So to get a clean muscle up, obviously, you'll need a clean pull-up and a clean straight bar dip. So around 10 reps for the pull-up and 20 reps for the straight bar dips. This will make sure that you're ready to step further into the muscle up progression. One of the great things I like about the Fit Home Gym is that it got every equipment you need to unlock the muscle up. It even comes with 2 sets of resistance bands that we're going to use in this tutorial to unlock our muscle up. The first technique we're going to focus on is making sure that we have the right pull-up technique to unlock the muscle up. Having around 10 pull-up is going to be useful, but doing only regular pull-up won't get you necessarily a muscle up. So when you're getting more comfortable with your pull-up, you want to actually lower the amount of reps and increase the range of motion. This will allow you to get higher in your pull-up and skip the hardest part of the muscle up, which is the transition in between. So you can get started with around 2 to 3 reps every minute on a minute for 5 to 10 sets. I would recommend not going for more than that so that you can really focus on the explosion and getting as much range of motion as possible. A regular pull-up normally is around the range of your neck, but we're going to try to bring it all the way up to our chest and even if possible to our waistline. This will make sure that we're going to be able to get all the way up and skip that transition way more easily. Now we're going to be focusing on the transition itself, and one of the best way to do it is by doing negative muscle up on the Fit Home Gym. Doing the negative muscle up is going to work the pattern of the muscle up and help you understand a little bit more how to place your hand along the movement. As you're going to notice, when you start in a straight bar dip position, your fists are going to be facing straight forward instead of up to the ceiling like it would be normally in a regular pull-up position. And this grip position is actually called a false grip, and this will help you a lot to make the transition way easier without having to change your grip position in the middle of your muscle up. So when you're going to be working on your muscle up, make sure to focus on keeping a false grip position as much as possible to help you get all the way up or even work on your negative muscle up and really work the movement properly. Technique number 3, one of my favorite one and one of the most popular as well, is going to be using assistance to unlock your muscle up. Now that you have enough strength and the right technique for your pull-up and that you have been working on your transition as well, it's time to mimic the muscle up as much as possible. You can either use the ground and start on some lower bar, just like we did with the negative muscle up, or you can simply use some resistance bands and get the tension needed to work on your muscle up. Make sure to work with the proper technique that we've been learning in this tutorial. So start with a false grip muscle up and use a full range of motion pull up to skip that transition as much as possible, even if you're using resistance bands. As you're going to get more comfortable with the assisted muscle up, you can either decrease the amount of resistance you're using with your feet or simply decrease the amount of resistance you're using with the resistance band. So when you're finally all the way up on top of the bar, you want to make sure as well that you lean yourself as much as possible toward so that you can complete the transition easier and also get a straight bar dip more comfortable. Also, leaning forward will make sure that you're not going to be stuck in that position and that you're going to mimic the movement of the muscle up. Don't forget that a muscle up is not going just up and down, you're actually going around the bar. So that's it for the muscle up tutorial using the Fit Home Gym. Don't forget to click the link under the description to get yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.